Hey there, quick Webflow tip for you regarding the editor mode. Now, a lot of times as Webflow designers, we'll pass the project on to our client where they'll make text edits or content revisions using editor mode. However, I came across something recently that might totally change how you start designing your Webflow projects. Now, let me first show you what we have in front of us. We have three cards. The first card has a text block inside of a link block. The second card is just a standard text link, and the third card is a button. Now I'm going to go into editor mode and I want to show you the difference between using all three of these variations of the link, and it might change how you approach links from here on out. So here we are in editor mode, and I'm going to first hover over the link inside of the link block. And as you can see, only the pen icon comes up and we can only edit the text. Now I'm going to hover over the one that is just the text linked. And if you notice, we get the cog icon. We're able to edit both the link and the text. Now I'm going to hover over the button. The cog comes up again. We're able to edit the link and the text. Now when it comes time to one that's inside of the link block, we can only edit the text. So if you know that your client's going to want to change what the links link out to, you might want to hold off from using link blocks in your client projects. However, with that being said, there is one workaround you could use, and that's going through the CMS. However, not every use case is going to require a CMS. So this is just something to be aware of when you're designing your project inside of Webflow.